Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common task that many Bank of America customers face: changing your address in 2025. Whether you're moving to a new home or just updating your details, this process is straightforward and can be done online in just a few minutes. Keeping your address current is super important for things like receiving statements, avoiding mail delays, and maintaining account security. So, let's dive right in. First, grab your Bank of America login details. Head over to the official Bank of America website or open their mobile app. Once there, sign in with your username and password. If you haven't set up online banking yet, you'll need to do that first. It's quick and free. After logging in, look for the Profile or Settings section. This is usually in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it, and you'll see your personal information displayed. Scroll down until you find your address details. Next, click the Edit or Update button next to your address. A form will pop up where you can enter your new information. Be sure to double-check everything: street name, city, state, and zip code, for accuracy. Once you're confident, hit Save or Submit. Bank of America might ask you to verify the change for security reasons. This could involve a confirmation code sent to your email, phone, or even your new address. Follow the prompts to complete this step. If you run into any issues or prefer not to handle it online, you have options. You can visit a local Bank of America branch with your ID and proof of new address, or call their customer service line at 1-800-432-1000. They're available 24/7 to assist. And there you have it. That's how you change your address in Bank of America for 2025. Remember, staying on top of your account details helps prevent headaches down the line. If this video was helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.